Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class, we are going to see the 8.3 and 8.4 from Cbse. Let's enjoy the class. What is the physical quantity? Is the same. Okay. Physical quantity is same. Okay. Appa, what are the properties of electromagnetic waves? Okay. So, electric field and magnetic field acting perpendicular to each other. It causes disturbances. The disturbances propagate as electromagnetic waves. They are transverse in nature. Okay. No medium is required to travel. Okay. So these are all concepts. So what is a physical quantity? So the velocity of electromagnetic wave is the velocity of light. That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So we know that velocity is the physical quantity, or in specific is the derived quantity. Okay. So what physical quantity is same? So velocity of electromagnetic wave is same. So in electromagnetic waves, what are all the waves comes? First, radio waves, micro waves, IR rays, visible rays, UV rays, X rays, gamma rays. So all the 7 rays having same velocity. So the velocity is a physical quantity which is same for all the 7. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts. A plane electromagnetic wave travels in vacuum along z direction. Just go to the topic. When electric field and magnetic field acting perpendicular to each other. So let us consider x dash, y dash. So it is acting 90. So that it is acting perpendicular to each other. Now I am giving the electric field in the direction of x, or the magnetic field in the y direction. So the resultant will be acting along in this direction. So it may be z dash. Okay. Here what we set in z direction. So the electromagnetic wave is in z direction. So that the electric field is in x and the magnetic field in y direction. If the frequency of the wave is 30 megahertz, so mu equal to 30 megahertz. So convert the megahertz into hertz. So it becomes 30 into 10 to the power 6 hertz, or otherwise 3 into 10 to the power 7 hertz. Okay. From that, what is the wavelength? Okay. So C equal to mu lambda. So what is C? C is the velocity of light. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 equal to mu. So what is the value of mu? 3 into 10 to the power 7 into lambda. Now the multiplication value comes to this as division. So it becomes 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 3 into 10 to the power 7 is the wavelength. So 3 getting cancelled. The power plus 7 goes to the numerator as minus 7. So it becomes 10 to the power 8 minus 7 equal to lambda. So 8 minus 7, 1. So 10 meter is the wavelength. Okay? Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts.